Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we will talk about the affiliate program of Crocs. So let me take you to their website, which is crocs.com. Now, for the ones who don't know what is Crocs, Crocs is a popular footwear brand known for its distinctive clog-style shoes. They were first introduced in 2002 and quickly gained popularity for their unique designs, comfort, and versatility. Over the years, Crocs has expanded its product line to include various styles of footwear such as sandals, slides, flip-flops, boots, and sneakers, while still retaining the same comfort and unique design elements that made the brand popular. So, if you want to get yourself a pair of footwear, you can come to the website. You can explore all these amazing footwears and buy for yourself or for your family. Totally up to you. But that's not exactly why we're here. We are here to earn money from Crocs. Can we do that? Can we earn money from them? Of course we can. We simply have to join the affiliate program of Crocs and start promoting them to our audience. And when someone from our audience make the sales on their website, guess what? You'll get the commission. So how do you join the affiliate program of Crocs, or how can you learn more about them? So for that, you can scroll down till the very footer of the section and you have to click on affiliate program. When you do that, it will take you to this page. Over here, they have written like these are the FAQs, so frequently asked questions that you can read through and you can understand about the affiliate program in depth. Like they have questions like how do I get started, why become crocs.com affiliate, can I join if I have not launched my site yet? So all these questions, these are some great questions that you should be aware of. So you should be aware of the answers, of course, so you can read through it and understand it better. I'm going to mention the link to this page directly in the video description. You can click on the link and come to this page and know about it. But how do you join the affiliate program of Crocs? For that, let me take you to the website, which is impact.com. Now, what is Impact and why Impact? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. Now, what is an affiliate marketing network? They're basically the third party between brands and affiliates. And for affiliates to join the affiliate program of brands out there, they have to first join the respective affiliate marketing network. So in our case, to join the affiliate program of Crocs, we have to join the affiliate network of impact.com first as a publisher. Now, impact.com call the affiliates as publishers, so don't get confused with the terminology here. So how do you join impact.com if you don't have an account with them yet? For that, you can click on request a demo on the top right hand side, which will take you to this page. Over here on the right hand side, you can click on sign up as a partner, and then it will take you through the registration process. Now I know registration could be complicated. There could be many things that you have to keep in mind and you have to follow. So don't you worry, I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. Simply find the link in the video description and follow the instruction from there and get yourself an affiliate account with impact.com. Let's say if you already have an account with impact.com or you ended up creating an account with Impact, simply come to the homepage, click on sign in, which will take you to this page. It will ask for the username and password, enter the combination, click on sign in. That will take you to something called publisher dashboard or affiliate dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Crocs, but there are many brands you can interact, you can apply to the affiliate program and all these you can do. But the focus of the video is just Crocs, the affiliate program. So how do you find the affiliate program? For that, you can click on brands. You can click on find brands, which will take you to this section in here. And on the top right hand side, you will see name ID keyword. Just click over there and start typing Crocs and then hit enter. When you do that, you would be able to see different affiliate programs. There's Crocodile as well, so it's a different one. Look for Crocs. So we got Crocs US, Canada, EU, Germany, France, NL, FL, UK, SG, Australia, and then these two as well. So you can see whatever affiliate program is better suited for your region. So let's say if you're from US, then you can apply to this affiliate program. If you're from Canada, you can apply for this one. So similar to that, similar to your region, you can choose the affiliate program accordingly. Now, what if, let's say, for example, I'm from India, so I don't see Crocs in the IN here. So which program should I select? Similarly, it could go for you. What if your region is not available here? In that case, you could select the one from where you're having most of the traffics from. So in my case, let's say I have traffic from US, most of the traffic from US. So I can talk about this. In your case, whatever region is more suited, either per your region or per your traffic region, you can select that accordingly. So let's say we are interested in this one, Crocs US. So you can simply click on this. In your case, whatever you affiliate program you like, you can click on that icon, and then it will open up this page where you would be able to see more information about the affiliate program. So on the left hand side, you would say the like button, and then if you click here, you would be able to talk to the affiliate program team of Crocs directly from this section, this envelope icon. And then on the right hand side, you would be able to see the commission rate as well. So currently they are providing between 6 to 11%. Now this commission rate varies. For some regions affiliate program, it could be just 5% or 6%. So depending on which region affiliate program you're selecting, the commission rate could vary. For the US one, it's between 6 to 11. Now, what if you want to have even more information? In that case, you can click on view terms. This will take you to this place here, and here you would be able to see. So they're giving 11% for the Crocs US program for these items. You can click here to know more about these items. And then for all other sale, they are giving 6%. And then you can scroll down and you can see more about it, all the different things that you should be aware of. So I highly recommend that you read it, because this way you will have a better idea about the affiliate program. And once you've read it, you can go back to this page, and then again on the right hand side you would be able to see details. You can click on details and you would be able to see even more information. So you can scroll down and you would be able to see all these things. Now, as you can see, open to influencers. This brand is not open to working with influencers. That means if you don't have a website or blog, then you might not be able to connect with Crocs affiliate program. So to promote them, you should have a website or blog. What if you don't have it? What if you have social media account with a good followers? It seems like they still prefer someone with website or blog, but it's all right. You can always reach out to them and ask them if they're fine with you, or you can also try applying to them. Let's see, let's say if you have a very good amount of followers on your social media account, you could still try to apply to them and see if they consider you and they give you the approval. So there is no harm in that, isn't it? Now let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to the affiliate program. How do you do that? Simply click on apply. When you do, it will ask you this: tell Crocs US why you want to work on this campaign. So whatever affiliate program you would be applying for, you will see the name in here, and it will ask why you want to work with this campaign. So here you have to write something good about you, like who you are and how exactly you plan to promote them, because this will help Crocs affiliate program team to consider you and to give you the approval. So for me, I have already returned it. I'm just going to copy and paste. In your case, you can write, and thereafter you can simply click on Crocs US contract terms to read the terms, and then you can click on apply. So when you do that, you will see your application is pending review. So that means your application to Crocs US team have gone. They would review whatever information you would have given during registration with Impact as an affiliate. So they will see all those information and they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. If they find you a good fit, they will give you the approval and you would be able to find them within my brand section. That's only after getting the approval. And how much time would it take? They may take anywhere between 2 days to a couple of weeks time, depending on the application volume they already have, because they manually check all those details of your online presence before they give you the approval. Now, let's say they approved you. Can you promote any of the product or take any link from the website and start promoting them? No, you shouldn't be, because that's not how affiliate marketing works. In affiliate marketing, you should be using your own tracking link, because that's what helps the brands track commission for you. So you should be using your own tracking link. So to get your own tracking link after getting the approval from Crocs, you can click on content, you can go to assets, and you would be able to see the links over there. Then there is another way as well. You could go to the home page and you would be able to see create a link section. After getting the approval, you would be able to find Crocs listed in here. For me, I see these two brands, but once I get the approval, I'll see Crocs as well. In your case, you will also see Crocs in here. After getting the approval, you can select the brand and you can then put any link from their website and click on create. It will create a tracking link for you. There's some advanced functionalities as well that you can explore. Okay, so let's say you got the approval, you got the tracking links and everything. Now, how can you promote them, or where can you promote them? So it's very important that wherever you plan to promote them, you must have gotten the approval for it. That means you must have given that information while creating an affiliate account with Impact. At any given point of time, if you want to update those information, you can always go to your profile on Impact, and you would be able to update it. So you can click on these three dots, click on settings, and you would be able to update your online presence. But still, the question is, where exactly can you promote them? So there are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. So one is the website. The website could be very good here, because doesn't matter whatever kind of website you got, simply put the advertisement somewhere on your website, like on the right, left, top, down, or any specific page of the website. That should work. Then come blog. Now I think blog could be better than website. Why? Because on blog you can write blog post about different product of Crocs, and then after the blog post, at the end of each blog post, you can mention, if you're interested to buy this item, this product, here's a link, and then you put your tracking link over there. So this way, when someone read the blog post about the product, buys the product, you get the commission. So you are targeting people for the products that Crocs have. The third, and I think the best way, would be fashion and apparel website. Let's say you got a fashion or apparel website. It's just a fashion website or apparel website, doesn't matter. People come to these websites to know about fashion, or to buy some stuff related to fashion and apparel, isn't it? And so this kind of website could also be good. You could probably create a small section of Crocs on your website. If you got a fashion or apparel website, this way people would know that, okay, you're promoting Crocs as well, and might end up buying products from there. Of course, they would go to that section of yours, will see the product, and would click on it, will be redirected to Crocs website, will make the purchase, but at the end, you will get the commission out of it. Now, let's say you started promoting them. Where would you see your performance, or how will you get the commission of it? So all these sales that you will bring to Crocs, you would be able to see it within report section. You can run this report to see your performance, but how about the payment for it? So all the commission that will get accumulated, Crocs will make the payment to Impact, and Impact will issue the payment to you. So you have to ensure that you have kept your payment information up to date on Impact network, Impact platform. So for that, you can look at the left bottom side. You can click on these three dots, and you can click on settings. When you do that, it will take you to the section. Over here, you can scroll down to the finance section, click on bank account, and you will be able to update your banking information over there. And then whatever commission you will generate, you would be able to get it via electronic fund transfer to your bank account. So this is how you can set up your payment details and start getting the commission that you might be earning from Crocs. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and will help you in finding the affiliate program of Crocs and applying to them. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section, and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.